right, so we are out here mid-sentence with Thomas. Twins, but gold. You could call that platinum, but it's silver.
Pretty much.
So we are working with Zach, kind of putting some stuff together. I forget his Zael Media?
Zael Media.
Zael Media. Look on YouTube and Instagram, and then I don't actually know how to pronounce Thomas's, so shout yourself out.
TMWYT and then TMW6R currently on Instagram.
He's got the girl car, that Golf R.
The girl car.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I like it. So
Because it's pink.
it's peach. It's like as much orange as it is pink.
Dude, it changes colors. Honestly, I get so many different opinions on it. They're like, oh, that's pink. Oh, that's peach. Oh, that's coral.
See?
Whatever you want it to be.
So we don't know. So we are out here in Utah in the frozen lake bed over here. It is just ice and some water.
It's freaking cold.
We're not going to ice skate. It's not that thick. And
Porsche,
so
am I going ice skating?
the Porsche is going ice skating. So yeah, we're just doing some setup videos, starting to talk about the project more and more, introducing you to Thomas and Zach, obviously both for the channel. They're going to be a big part of some of the things going forward. And yeah, exciting stuff. Excited to have RWB Utah #1 set up and going. So we are preparing for Nakai's visit, the build, and it's going to be sick. Okay, so we are on the way back from the old Home Depot and picked up something kind of fun. Toolbox. As soon as we loaded it, I realized it's probably super top heavy and will tip over. So I am just trying to go straight lines only, and we'll try and get home. From there, you're going to see the next problem, though. I'll show you. So here we are. Step 2 of 3 is getting that down to the ground and then into that hole. So here, there. Okay, what is up, everybody? This is going to go right here. So we're gonna have it in here. I still need to, I may or may not clean some fertilizer spill. The workbench actually fits this dimension exactly. So I'm gonna put it there, and then we're gonna build out the rest. So you'll see what we're doing, but I think this is like exactly the size of the hole. So it may or may not fit. I might have to cut some drywall. We'll see. Let's go. And this is the beauty of the motorcycle lift, is now I can take off the casters and we can see if we can mount it up. So there you have it. After the first test fit, we need like 2/10 of an inch. So we are gonna pound them out. Okay, so with the power of this motorcycle lift, we are pretty much all lined up. So it's in on both sides. You can see there is a little bit of space there, and basically no space here. So I'm just waiting for heavy hitters. I've got a couple friends coming over and we're just gonna push. So let's push. So I know the plan was just one secret area, but now we can hide stuff here too if we need to. What should we put down there, man?
I don't even know.
I mean, think of all the dead mice we could hide, right? Or whatever.
There you go.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna climb back out. So Jimmy came in pretty strong today. There we are. You didn't think it would fit. Little demo, but it fits perfectly. So next, we've got to kind of finish around it. Okay, so I'm just being a bum. Going through all of this, trying to figure out where I'm going to put things. I'm super OCD about the tools. So I cut the handle off of this case just so I could keep the organizer in here. And it actually fits like perfectly. These still kind of figuring out. But it's crazy just going through and seeing a lot of the old tools I had. This is just parts from taking the thing apart. Some of the stuff that I used in the past, I need to probably work more on my stuff. So anyway, leave it in the comments below. I am curious how you guys organize a big box like this. What tools stay, what goes. Do you use like, you know, for my torque wrench, probably keep this just so it stays flat? I don't know. Anyway, tell me about it. I want to see your toolkits. It's like, you know, a drawer with the common kind of auto tools. This is stuff I use on the Porsche, kind of everything. I don't know, maybe like this is just parts from that. You know, more tools, gear wrenches and stuff, my Torx kit. I don't know. Yeah, a torque wrench, some other just bigger tools that won't fit. Then I want to do like, you know, a drawer with, well, that's clippers, but you know, a drawer with like bike parts, like bike tools. Maybe I did one for my house stuff, so like, you know, so I can hang stuff up, whatever. Maybe I'll put glue in one. I don't know. What do you guys have in yours? We're gonna put this shift knob on, right? So who doesn't want to see a good amount of filming for this? So let's go experiment. So if I am right, which I never am, I am pretty sure we just have to put something on here tight. We're gonna do a vice grip with a rag so that it doesn't mangle this. I think it's just got like a crush spacer thing in there that grabs on. So I think we just grab this and knock it up. So let's see how that works. Okay, so that's not working. Luckily I have a couple of other tools that we can use. We can try this, and then I think I have these. These might do the job. These might do the trick. Let's see what we get. Can we get in here? So, top half's gone. This is for anybody who's wondering if mine has a bolt inside. It does not. It's not a very fancy shift knob, just hollow. So we just need to cut through, I guess, like this a little bit more so it relieves the compression on there. So let's do that. Okay, so we are this much closer, but can you guess what part won't come off? All right, we'll get it right now. That is hitting the, that's broken up enough. Yeah, there we go. In fact, this is a big moment, so there we go, see? Hey, at least it's off, so congratulations. And this is what the new one's gonna look like. I hope. Find out it doesn't fit, huh? There we go. Yes. Let's put it on. So the beauty of this shift knob, and it's not on all the way yet, is that they actually have screws. So instead of just having a crush sleeve on there, you actually just line it up and screw these in. Way easier, and of course it makes sense, right? But things are designed by companies, like let's say Porsche, for example, to need replacing rather than fixing. So if you ever needed your shift knob off of the OEM transmission, your only option, I guess, was to smash it. Now there are other ways, but because I have a boot on here, I wanted to be careful with the boot. One of the things you could do is normally they don't have a boot. So what you could have done is you would have had access to get some lubricant in there, like PB Blaster or something like that to anti-seize and get in so that you could do that. You could also put heat on it. So while I did destroy the shift knob, there are ways to not destroy it. I just really didn't care enough to sit here and do that. And spraying stuff in the car like lubricant would have been a bigger mess, and this was way easier. So here we are. Let's screw this in. Something else that's really cool about this is, let's say you have a shift pattern or something that you want to line up. A lot of shift knobs are threaded, so you just screw them on. But then what if it ends up like that, right? So what's cool about this is I can just line it up and screw it in and have it exactly where I want it. So it's pretty sweet. Okay, so just like that, tighten those up, and this is on there solid. That was the linkage making noise, not the knob. So there we go, it's pretty sweet. What is up, everybody? I just got a text message from my neighbor saying that I have a box behind my house. Let's check it out. So what do we have here? This looks pretty expensive. Wow, what is it? What do we got? So this came like that, completely open. Probably okay. We'll open it, let's see. That the bottom of the box came open. So I guess we can just open it this way. Almost there. Almost there. Da, 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 da. That is a sheet of carbon fiber. Okay. There you have it. Slip top. So, of course, we've got to just do a quick test fit, see what this looks like. Once it goes to the body shop and stuff, this will all be nice and tight because it'll be on the frame. So, whew, looks pretty good. It's like flawless. Kaminari makes really good stuff. And actually, I like this because this little rail is going to help a lot with the amount of water that gets in. So, check it out.